Hi, we're Twisted, the creators of the Pizzadilla. Over the weekend, we broke the internet.
Twisted Food UK.
It will be all the rage.
It divided opinions online, so we took to the streets of London to see what they thought. So have you heard of Twisted?
I haven't, no.
Have you heard of the Pizzadilla?
I have, yes.
Have you heard of the Pizzadilla?
No. I do not know. I have. No.
Have you heard about the Pizzadilla?
Yeah, that thing on Twitter.
I've heard of pizza.
That's close enough.
Pizzadilla! Would you like to try some?
Yeah,
Of course.
That's not really my thing, I've got to say.
No, that's okay.
Come on, no, you'll do it. If I'm doing it, you'll do it. Got a dip for you if you want. It's kind of garlic and herby. If you want to
always dip. Is it garlic dip?
No double dipping.
No.
You want to describe it for us?
That pastry type stuff inside of
Yeah.
hash brown type thing.
That is intense. I mean, is that like 10,000 calories in that one slice?
Really, really nice.
Points out of 10.
7?
10.
10, there you go.
I like it.
That's meaty. I'll give you that.
Cheesy. Everything you want from a pizza.
That's interesting.
Would you eat it again?
Maybe one slice because it's quite fattening, I think.
I could eat this every day.
Whether you love it or hate it, the whole world is talking about the Pizzadilla, and that's exactly what Twisted's all about. Driving conversations around food and having a good time.